Hi, I'm Dr. Whitten, and I'm really excited today to share this video with you. But before we get started, just give the video a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our great videos. Essentially, I'm going to be giving you a lot of the insights and pearls that I've figured out over the last 25 years on how to communicate with your innate wisdom and ask meaningful questions that can help you to access more of your potential and be healthier and more successful and happier. One of the most profound things you can do with muscle testing is getting yourself to a state of balance, making sure you're hydrated, making sure your biochemistry is balanced. So when I wake up in the morning, the first thing I do is ask, am I well hydrated? Is my system over 90% hydrated? Does my body want to eat? Like, I might have eaten too much the night before. So when you ask that question, it sounds like a simple question, but really you're asking, does my body need nutrients? When you're giving your body calories and food, when it doesn't need it, you're burdening your system. And when that happens, you're creating stress on your system, and stress leads to poor health. So you want to give your body food when it needs it, not just because it's 8 o'clock in the morning. So when I wake up, I'll ask, does my body want to eat breakfast now? And if it's no, I'll say, does it want it at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11? Sometimes my body doesn't want to eat until noon. So I know it's a simple thing, but it's one of the most profound things you can do, is giving your body the fuel that it wants, and giving it what it wants when it wants it. So that's something that you really can't overestimate the power of. When it comes to foods, you can use muscle testing to find out what your body wants. So you can say, my body wants broccoli, my body wants almonds, my body wants bread. So you can find out, if you get a weak test on any of those statements, you realize your body doesn't want those. Those are foods that are toxic or are going to cause allergies or inflammation in your system. So if you want to just be feeding your body foods that are going to raise your vitality, you can get a clear answer when you ask the question in that way. My body wants this. So it's saying that that food will benefit your body. It will raise its vitality. The next thing is, before I go to work, I want to make sure that I'm in my power and that I have my full confidence and that I'm clear. So I'll test that. Do I have access to my full power as a healer, as a teacher, as a communicator? Am I fully in my confidence? Am I accessing my full confidence? Am I clear? Clear means that I don't have any upsets, or I haven't had any arguments, or I don't have anything that I'm dreading or regretting, or that my brain isn't processing any kind of stress that's going to interfere with the work that I do when I show up to treat my patients. So if I get a no on those questions, I just find out where in my body that energetic disturbance lives, and then I clear it using my technique. So I've developed a healing system over the last 25 years called the Whitten Method. I've turned it into a workshop series, which will soon be available on my website, whittenmethod.com. So if you're interested in learning this work, you can go to my website, and that will soon be available. Another great use for muscle testing when it comes to emotional issues, I call it the be, do, and have. Okay, so be is who I am and who I'm not. So I'm at peace with who I am and who I'm not. So that's the be. The do is I'm at peace with what I'm doing and with what I'm not doing. And the have is I'm at peace with what I have and what I don't have. Okay, so those are great things to check to see if there's any issues that you have and that could use clearing. And once again, if you want to learn how to clear these issues, check out the Whitten Method, and I'll teach you how to do that in a very profound way so that these issues don't have to burden you ever again. So hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.